Hello guys and welcome back to this video. So this is a quick walkthrough on how to actually access the private group on Telegram. All right. So once you subscribe to join the private group and the bot sends you a link to join the private group, once you join, right, you will see that there are three different topics here. So we have the general discussion topic, we have the signals topic, and then we have the video tutorial topics. And there's a reason for this, right? For instance, if I share the signal on the general discussion topic, before you know it, messages would have swallowed, the signals itself, so it will disappear. So for those of you who are working, those who may not see it immediately when they come, they will not start looking for the signals and all of that. That's why we created them separately. So always make sure that you enable notification for each of these. Okay, that you enable notification for each of these, and this way you will be whenever you come around, you check the signals, you always see the latest signals that we've posted, and then you'll be able to take it. Okay, so on the discussion aspect, this is where all your discussion, the sharing of your PNLs, asking of question, interacting with other members of the private group and all of that, this is where all of that takes place. Okay, so all of the discussion, if you want to publish announcements, all of that takes place on this general discussion forum. Okay, whatever it is, if I'm asking you to buy a token to do whatever it is, everything takes place right here. Okay, the signal group, yes, it gives you the option to comment, but you are not meant to comment here. Okay, so that it should just be specifically for signals. Now when it comes to signals, the signals comes in two format. Okay, it could come in, as it is clearly written out right here, or it comes in this image. Okay, where we just send you an image like this and all of that, and I'll go ahead and explain how this works. Okay, so let me start with this particular one that is clearly written out. Okay, here it has entering range. Okay, some of the signals has entering range. Okay, and then some of the signals too that I'll be sending, even when it comes as an image as well. Okay, I will tell you, let me look for a good example of what I shared recently, saying buy with scale order, right? Yes, like this one right here. Okay, for ZEG, I said long buy from the entry to around that 64 level. Okay, so if you check this trade, you see that the entry was not around that 64, the entry was around 68. But I say buy from that entry level, okay, to around 64. When you see a message like this, it means that you should use scale order to take that trade. Okay, so it means that you should use scale order to take such trade. The same thing with this particular one that was posted today. All right, you see that there is an entering range, right? This one from 10 to 9. Okay, and then there is another one here you see right here. Okay, this one is from 3 to 32, okay, down to that 310. So this is the entering range. It means that you should use scale order to enter this trade. Okay, there's a video that teaches you everything about scale order and all of that. And if you check out the tutorial option too, we have video tutorials that teaches you everything you need to know. For instance, spot trading, here we talked about how to set stop losses on spot trading, everything you need to know, even how to use scale order on spot trading and all of that. Okay, and then there's another video here that is specifically on everything you need to know about using buy bid and the rest. Okay, on the general group here, if you check the messages that are pinned, you will see that there are recommended exchanges that you must sign up with. Okay, those are the exchanges we trade with. If there's any signal, any trade, or any token that is not listed on a particular exchange, the other exchanges we have recommended will be where you are going to buy. Okay, now the private group is not just for features alone, but features is the one we do most of the time, because I equally give calls for meme coins. Okay, some of the meme coins I gave a few days ago, some are already up by 7x, some up by 10x, and all of that. Okay, so we equally share those opportunities with you. Then we equally look at long-term holding as well. Okay, so all these videos, some of these videos explain all of that to you. All right, now for the one that comes as pictures, okay, where you don't see the entering clearly spelled out, here you will see that this long position to right here, there's equally a video that teaches you how to use this, right? But let me just explain here. The long position to right here, this is a long trade. As you can see, I said buy AI 16Z, okay, USDT long. So here the entry is this one that is highlighted in gray. on the price scale here. Okay, the one in gray, this one on top of the entry can be red, it can be green. It has nothing to do with this trade. Okay, this is the current price as at the time I sent this. All right, so the one in gray right here is your entry. Okay, the red, the one that is highlighted, the price that is highlighted in red here is your stop loss, and then the price that is highlighted in green at the top here is your take profit. Now, if it is a short trade, you will see the red option will be at the top, okay, and the green will be down. So wherever you see the highlighted price in red is your stop loss, okay, the one in gray is your entry, and then the one in green is your TP level. Okay, now in this particular one, we didn't put TP 1, 2, 3, and 4 and all of that. Okay, so in this case, whenever the trade goes in your favor, you now use your discretion to say, oh, this trade is up by 10%, 20%. I should start taking partials right here. Okay, and some of these trades are meant to be swing trades, some are just for quick scalp and all of that. Okay, so that's basically all you need to know about the signals we share here and how to take them. Okay, if you don't understand, you can still ask your questions, right? Then on the video tutorial option, this is where you get access to all of the video tutorials. I'm equally making the course, my technical analysis course, available for all of you who join the private group, right? So the videos will be posted here. You go watch the video during our live section. You ask questions, okay? And if you don't understand anything, we'll throw more light on it. But if you understand it, because the aim is to help you to be able to do these things yourself, so that you don't just depend on signals alone, okay, so that you can start doing the analysis yourself and start making money for yourself as well. All right, so that's what we have here: the general discussion, the signal, and then the video tutorial option. So you can just make sure that you navigate these ones, these things the way you want it. Okay, and that's basically it, right? Now, for those of you seeing this on YouTube, if you want to be a part of the community, make sure that you join us on Telegram using the link, okay, on my bio, or the link in the video description to join us on Telegram. Join the general Telegram channel and take advantage of all the free signals we share there. And if you want to be a part of the group, the private group, you're equally welcome. Okay, all we do is teach you, make you understand crypto better, and making money for yourself as well. Okay, we don't just send signals. Okay, so we equally have times for Q&A where we'll answer all your questions and all of that. We do live trading and all of that. So you want to be a part of that, join us on Telegram, link on my bio or in the video description. Okay, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I publish videos like this. That is it for this video, guys, and I'll see you on the inside.